Today I'm going to talk to you about the latest update to our graphic touchscreen keypad, firmware version 2.04. This new update applies to our hardwired keypad, wireless keypad, and the XTL Touch enhanced all-in-one control panel. In this latest release, we've made a number of graphic updates to enhance the overall user experience. Let's take a look. On the home screen, all of the weather animations have gotten a refresh. Additionally, when you go to arm the system, all of the various icons now match our standard icon library, making it consistent with the virtual keypad app. Finally, the various Z-Wave screens have gotten an update as well. The controls have been moved to the right side of the screen, making it very easy to navigate between pages, change your settings, or, when dealing with the thermostat, very easy to change the set temperature or the control mode. So that's version 2.04 of the graphic touchscreen keypad. We hope you like the new look.